Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to illuminate your heart, mind and soul every day through the Quran? To develop more love and awe of the Quran in your heart? To have someone take you step by step on this noble journey? To have a company of friends learning the same? Then join our program Hifz with Hikmah, a unique program that combines memorization with meaning, reflection and love. The program has 3 components. Start with our Tajweed course and then the courses to understand Al-Baqarah and Tafsir. You will understand 90% of the Quranic words and 90% of the essential grammar. Develop love and awe of the Quran in your heart through short courses on Asma'ul Husna, Seerah on Fingertips, 8+3 dimensions of personality development through Quran, Sunnah and Seerah and Asma. A course on the way to study the Quran, that is Tadabbur, and so on. After that, start memorizing Al-Baqarah with pointer system to see the flow of topics. At least make an intention and you get reward. Every time you repeat a verse for memorizing, let it create an impact on your heart, mind and soul. We have all the materials and tools such as apps, LMS, AI-based tracking, etc. to take you step by step on this noble journey. For more details, join our webinar using the link below. Assalamu alaikum.